From the depths of the earth to the towering skyscrapers of our cities, metals and minerals play a fundamental role in our lives. These raw materials, extracted through mining, form the backbone of global trade. They are the building blocks of infrastructure, technology, and countless everyday products. Among these essential resources, unwrought zinc stands out as a versatile and indispensable metal. Unwrought zinc, often referred to as zinc ingot, represents zinc in its purest form. These ingots are the starting point for many industrial applications. Before it is transformed into various usable shapes, it undergoes several processes to ensure its quality and purity. This bluish-white metal possesses unique properties that make it highly valuable. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of industries. Zinc is known for its excellent corrosion resistance, acting as a protective barrier against rust and weathering. This makes it an essential component in construction and automotive industries. It is also a highly recyclable material, contributing to a circular economy. Recycling zinc not only conserves natural resources but also reduces energy consumption. The production of unwrought zinc involves a meticulous process of mining zinc ore, which is often found in combination with other metals. This is followed by smelting and refining to extract pure zinc. The entire process ensures that the final product meets industry standards for various applications. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. The versatility of zinc is evident in its wide range of applications across various sectors. In construction, zinc is used in galvanizing steel to prevent corrosion, extending the lifespan of buildings and infrastructure. Zinc alloys are essential components in die casting, producing intricate parts for automobiles, electronics, and household appliances. Moreover, zinc oxide finds applications in rubber manufacturing, ceramics, and even sunscreen. The global trade for unwrought zinc is currently valued at approximately USD 9.4 billion, with trade values fluctuating between USD 7.95 billion and USD 10.8 billion over the past 5 years. The global trade volume stands at around 3.39 million tons, ranging between 2.99 million tons and 3.52 million tons. The average global price of unwrought zinc is USD 2.7 per kilo. The top importers of unwrought zinc are Turkey, Vietnam, Malaysia, Italy, India, Netherlands, Singapore, Germany, China, and the USA, while the top exporters are South Korea, Netherlands, India, Australia, Spain, Canada, Kazakhstan, Finland, Peru, and Japan. India is a key exporter in this segment, with USD 972 million in exports, supplying 0.35 million tons to the global market at an average price of USD 2.7 per kilos. India holds a 10.33% market share in value and 10.35% market share in quantity. Over the past 5 years, India's market share has ranged from 5.39% to 15.49%, generating annual revenues between USD 485 million and USD 1.67 billion. So if you are looking to import unwrought zinc at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for unwrought zinc trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. As the world strives for sustainable development, the zinc industry is actively engaged in reducing its environmental footprint. This involves adopting innovative technologies and practices that not only enhance efficiency but also significantly lower emissions and energy consumption. Mining companies are implementing responsible mining practices to minimize waste and protect biodiversity. These efforts include reforestation projects, water management systems, and the use of renewable energy sources to power mining operations. Recycling initiatives are gaining momentum, recovering zinc from end-of-life products and reducing the reliance on primary zinc production. By promoting a circular economy, the industry is able to conserve natural resources and reduce the environmental impact associated with mining. The future of unwrought zinc lies in balancing economic growth with environmental stewardship, ensuring a sustainable supply chain for generations to come. This holistic approach not only benefits the environment but also supports the long-term viability of the zinc industry, fostering innovation and resilience in the face of global challenges. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of unwrought zinc? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global unwrought zinc. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import unwrought zinc based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the mining, metals and minerals, or access our world directory of companies, trade and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global unwrought zinc trade or visit NavaTies.com. In summary, the international trade of unwrought zinc in the mining, metals and minerals industry is a dynamic and essential component of the global economy. With diverse applications, strong market demand and evolving trends, unwrought zinc remains a key player in international trade, driving innovation, economic development and industrial growth. By understanding the product analysis, uses, market overview and emerging trends, stakeholders can capitalize on opportunities and navigate the complexities of the unwrought zinc market effectively. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.